YouTube. Yes, I'm back with another video. Hey you guys, Charlene here, and today I'm back with another banger video for you guys today. So for today's video, I'll be doing a lit Haitian playlist. This is not just any little playlist, you know. I'm finna bring you guys into my culture. This is gonna be a Haitian playlist, okay? Y'all finna hear that. Come by. I got my speaker already. We finna get bumping. We finna get lit. I hope you guys really enjoy this video, because if you do, you should already know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys are not subscribed already. It's free, bro. That's the least you could do during this quarantine, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I mean, like, come on now. And also, follow me on my social media, which will be right here on the screen as well as down below. And I think that is it. I hope you guys really enjoy it. Like I said, we just finna get into it. I got everything already ready. We just finna be vibing. And yeah, let's get into it. Y'all, this is my song right here. This is my song. Like, recently, my mama put me on this song, bro. She just kept playing it, and I just got the vibe, bro. Like, hold up. Here's a compa. Y'all, I need to meet him.
Le micro est débloqué. Qui est-ce qui a cherché côté pied? Le show a fini. Est-ce que l'âme dit merci? Pas qu'il faut tout même qui d'abord. Est-ce que l'âme liée ça vaut? Non. L'hérito a fait mal. Est-ce que l'âme it doesn't matter, I'll always love you. It doesn't matter, I'll always be by your side. It doesn't matter, I'll always love you. It doesn't matter, I'll always be there for you. Ça c'est ici, ça c'est ici là. I'm sorry. Hey, hey. La façon de rêver, la fête nous matin. Regardez la glace, le rayon mou chéri, qui peut sembler à l'âme, tu n'en esclave sans dignité chéri, qui est pour me décoller, oui, moi coller, qui j'en pour me décoller, oui, moi coller, qui j'en pour me décoller.
If you know this one, you know this one.
Yo, yo, I spend on the beat again. Good people say it again. Yeah. Chaque fois, moi, ouais, ou fait ça comme. I'm gado, bali neuf, tout compte, c'est mal comme. Wow, m'le coller un bon coup d'accord. Baby, ou fait ma bégueule, pas de power. Wow, ou fait frisson pour moi. Baka coupe jumbo.
Uma fekol, uma fekol, come on, uma fekol, uma fekol. Kay matan, ranger jolou paske boss ou an ba live la. Wap chèche en face mwen pou ka kite stad grap yay la. Pa kompare, san goumen m'fè travay la. Poko sorti mizik m'envahi yo nan bagay la. Les flow a oui, gen kontrol tout show a oui. Mario crazy, yap gad boudam, blok ou se Ferrari. La, tire ta vie, ou me chèche l'autre abri. Depi lem paret ma.
It is charged. When I tell you guys the love that I have for Haitian music is so freaking real, like, oh my gosh, y'all don't really understand, bruh. And the funny part is, I'm not even from Haiti. I never been to Haiti. I don't know how to speak Creole. But when y'all see me in them the little video, I was getting it in. But I understand Creole 100% fully, don't get me wrong. But I don't know how to speak it. The only thing I know how to say is bonsoir tout le monde and diwi. And my bag. See, I don't know how to say the other word I was trying to say. L'argent, money. That's it. That's the only thing I know how to say. When the music is on, bro, it's just a different vibe, bro. It's just like a different vibe. Like, you would think like, oh, okay, she's from Haiti. No. I don't even know how to speak the language. I'm just here vibing. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video as much as I did filming it. If y'all want a part 2, let me know, or any other video suggestions, just let me know down below in the comment section. That's why they're there, so make sure you guys go and use it. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, which will be here on the screen as well as down below. That is it for the video. If you did like it, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, make sure you still give it a thumbs up. But anyways, I'm out of here. Bye. Peace.